Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix Planet Fitness app not working. So if you're currently having problems that your Planet Fitness app that it's not working for you and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So this is how I fixed it myself. I firstly closed the Planet Fitness app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. And in here I just scrolled down and then I clicked on general. So I clicked on general and as you can see you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So on this page I scrolled down in here and then I clicked on storage. And now in here you're just going to simply wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. So you're just going to wait just a couple of seconds. And when it's going to be done, by the way, we're going to swipe up like this and then click on the search bar up top, search for Planet Fitness here and click on the app. So this is what I did in here. I clicked on offload app and once again I clicked on offload app in here and then I clicked on the reinstall app button and then just waited for the Planet Fitness app to completely update to its latest version. Because by doing this, you're basically only going to force the app to update to its latest version. So it's not going to do anything to your account and stuff like that. It's just going to actually force your app to update to the most up-to-date version. And when it's done, go back into the app and hopefully now it's going to work for you as well.